Alright, in this video I'll be explaining how to use Mt5, how to trade on Mt5 and how to do all of that. So I once did a video on how to link your SS to your Mt5 and I believe you watched that already. So how do you actually use your Mt5 after linking your XNES? So this is a demo account I created and it's funded with $500 on it. Now after linking your account, you can go over to quotes. That's the first button on the bottom left part of your screen. Quotes. Here's where you add the pair you want to trade. When you trade forex, there are different pairs, different options on what you actually want to trade. If you want to trade gold US dollar, if you want to trade New Zealand US dollar, you want to trade BTC, you want to trade Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, a lot of currencies, a lot of symbols you can trade. There are forex, there are a lot of them. So let's say you want to trade ZAR USD, look for it here, add it to your symbols. When you add it here, you'll be able to trade it. So once you add it here, you go over to charts. You can click here to see ZAR USD charts. Click on it. I can see the charts. Okay. Now the next thing you want to do is you can go over to your trading view to make your analysis on what you are seeing and what you want to trade. So let's say you've analyzed on trading view and you want to buy or you want to sell. Unless you want to sell in this market, you've come over to your charts on gold. You go over to trade, that's middle button. This is your balance, this is your equity, this is your free margin. So you click on this plus and you put on the amount you want to risk. Let's say you come over to your position size app to calculate your risks. And you've come over here, so you want to risk, let's say 2 lots on this trade. Let's say 1 lot on this trade. You type in the lot size. So let's say 0.5 lots or 1 lot, depends. Now you can select market execution, meaning that you want to open a position at the current market price. Let's say price already at your buy zone, you want to open immediately. Use market execution. If you want to set a limit, let's say price is not currently at your zone, but free price will get there in the nearest future, you can actually set a buy limit at your zone. So if you click on buy limit, so you want to buy, you put the price you want market your position to open. Let's say you want to open at 20. Put your stop loss you want price to close, let's say 19. Put your take profit you want price to close at when they're in profit, let's say 50. Once you click place, you have your buy limits waiting for you here. Whenever price falls to that level, I was thinking you should be seeing your buy limit here. Be add that to your settings, or it's not just here, but most of the time you see your buy limit on this chart. Maybe we'll see it later, but it doesn't really matter though. But once you create your buy limit order, you see buy limit waiting for price to come to it. Once price gets to it, it activates and your trade opens immediately at the price you want market to open. But if you don't want to use buy limit, you want to sell, you can also use sell limit and put selling price and stop loss as well. If you don't do all that, you want to just open a market execution, just go to market execution, click on buy, and the position opens immediately. Or if you want to sell, click on sell, and the position opens immediately on the market. Okay, now this is where you would see either you're making profit or you're making loss. So you can see we are currently on a loss of $36. So you can, if you've made the analysis and you're sure that price will go your way, you can leave your position to run until you get into profit. losses will be in red, profits will be in green, or rather blue. Okay, so let's just, now you can see we're in profit, so it's blue, and profits are in red with minus sign in front of them, so you can tell. Now you can see your equity is showing you your current balance. Either whether you're in profit, if you're in profit, to add your profit to your current balance. If you're in loss, to subtract your current loss amount from your balance, and the equity is what you would have. Okay, equity is showing your current balance, adding and subtracting your floating profit or floating loss. Now that's all about placing positions. Now if you go over to history, you see your trading history. You can customize it for today, or last week, or last month, or last 3 months, or last year. You see position you placed last year and all of them. If you want to customize, you can put the particular date you want to look for, and you see position you place that day. We're done with that. You want to go back to settings, and there is not much to do here actually. The main thing is in trading, checking your history, looking at your charts, and adding pairs you want to trade. So that's all about Mt5. I hope we understand this video and be able to put it to use, especially when we want to place limit order for buy or sell, or we want to place market order to open at market price immediately. Now, one thing I want to add to this is closing positions. So you can close positions immediately like this. Click and close your position, or you can close like this. Let's say you open a lot of positions, you open a lot of buy positions. You can click on bulk operations, turn it on, accept it, and you click on bulk operations again. You want to close all of them at the same time. So they are very, very much. You just click on close all positions. They will close. So you want to, you open a lot of positions, and some are profit and some other ones are loss. You can see all positions you can close. You can close all losing positions. You can close all sell positions. You can close all gold positions. Okay, so close all positions, and it close immediately. That's if you want to close bulk trades at the same time. You can see we've blown almost all the money in our account because we're just trading recklessly. We're not really analyzing the market. But I hope this gives you all you want to know about Mt5. Thank you.